Yung show ko. wala ka na sa plano ng buhay ko. Oh my gosh.
Change plan.
So what I think about
Gusto ko sumikat. At yumaman.
Well, what I think about it, if I didn't try to jump on Boys Night Out, what would I be now? What would I be doing?
You'd probably be in Japan, I think.
Yeah.
Sumasayaw ka.
I'll be a samurai or a ninja. But yeah, I guess that's my greatest fear is holding myself back and not trying. I mean, when going Boys Night Out, yeah, that was doing this book. It's something new. I mean, it's something that I never thought I'd be able to do.
Mm-hmm.
That was for us doing TV. I mean, it's like, okay, might as well try it. It's because like si Sam, he's a natural on TV. That was also si Tony. For myself, it was something new now. Oh, okay,
you might be struggling.
Yeah, I might be struggling. Of course, in the first part it was, but then now, okay, let's just have fun. Just be yourself. So that's a fear.
Sam, greatest
fear not being able to spend time with
the girls. You have a lot of.
Mumbai ka talaga.
Pa 5-6 ko pa yan. Umiikot ang pera.
That's what Sam says to us after every game. Are you gonna spend that? Just give it to me na lang. Akong bahala.
I-deposit ko yung 30 days.
I'll make it roll.
Ang 5,000 natin palaki natin.
Ako bahala sa'yo.
Going back.
It's more like not spending time with the people I know, because right now I think time is really so. It's more than gold. Time is so precious now. Ilang oras kayo sa traffic, maybe we spend so much time just in traffic, wasting, diba? Doing so many things na sometimes you just really need to, spend time with the people that matter. So yeah, that's one of my fears na not being able to spend time, because I guess we're all just too busy doing so much that we won't really have time to spend with the people we love.
One question. Do you mean to say you didn't put this post-night out thing together? Like somebody did it for you?
Well, the thing is,
the book or the show?
The show.
Our boss, he sees us out because it was actually me and Tony and my other old partner Logan. But at that time, our boss really saw me and Tony out. So he's like, okay, because my other Andrew Santiago. So he's like, oh, baka we can put a show together with you guys because you guys are Laugh Trip. You guys, are very comfortable with each other. And then Sam and Tony, they knew each other from basketball. And then Tony was the one that got Sam into radio, doing the campus patrol. So
until now, yung nanay ni Sam galit sa akin. Dapat lawyer na to eh. Attorney dapat.
My son should have been a lawyer.
Legal management eh. Na-meet lang ako. Ayun sa radio, wala na.
How long has it been?
8.5 years.
March 6, 2006.
He's living the life. Si Sam YG, idol. Yun idol.
For Sam, huli ka bang po? Kala na ninja siya.
Di ka ninja!
Nakita ko yung Twitter ko, uy, kasama niya, may kasama. Lahat mga tao sa kanya.
Pilay nga siya noon, may sprain. Tinutulungan lang. So, Melissa, lahat din
C-Slave. Siguro yung hashtag para this year. Ano nangyari? Sana sinabi. Sana sinabi.
Guilty ka.
May picture lang. Something to bet.
Ay, speaking of huli ka, Balbong, kasi sinisilip ko pala yung libro, natatawa na ako. Ginagano ko pa, natawa na. Yung sa huli ka, was there a time na nahuli na kayo, hindi kayo nakalusot?
As in
Walang lusot. Amin na lang.
There's always a way out. There's always a way out.
Walang surrender na.
Wala.
Wala.
Fight pa rin.
Ang tinuro sa amin ni Sam sa amin dalawa was, sabi niya, deny till you die. So,
Paninindigan. Paninindigan.
kahit nandun ka na, nagsaspa ka, ini-extrahan ka na. Na-raid ng pulis.
Natulog ako
Ah, hindi.
Hawak niya.
Yeah, hawak niya.
Masayos ka. Ano sabihin mo?
Wala ko eh, ito uli nyo to. Para ako yung maging undercover ano ka na. I'm with you guys, sinuhuli ko lang, sinisigurado kong ano.
Undercover work to.
Undercover to, undercover.
Under surveillance.
Kapag kayo tatlo, ayun, nag-ano kayo nagdi-dips? Never dips.
Ah, parang ako muna, gano'n.
Diba?
Hindi, kasi pag dumana kay Tones, wala na akong laban. Ito, ang balita dito, ano, headboard wrecker. Ang dami ng kama na sira. Huh? Hindi ko alam mga...
Tapos yung isang girl na ACLs.
Oo. May nilabas dati, naka-wheelchair sa kwarto niya.
Oh my God.
Sinagad! Sinagad! Hindi ko alam ano yung sinagad. May nilabas, naka-wheelchair.
Maling posisyon.
Kala ko sa athletes ang nangyayari yung ACL. Puso sa kama rin pala.
Lying down.
Hindi, wala pa. Kasi usually magkakaiba kami ng type. Hindi kami magkakaparehang type.
Ah, wala yung ano.
Although we appreciate beauty na ang music niya, pero iba-iba yung type namin.
Pag pumuesto na si ano, si Seiko, si Sam, out na ako.
Giveaway na lang.
Yeah, box out na, okay na.
Eh, kung pwesto ka, tapos makakausap mo, dumana pala kay Tony. Wala rin kwenta pag pwesto mo. Kagabi lang. Akala ko may makakaano na ako. Dumana naman kay Tony. Sayang eh. Binili ko pa ng drink, mahal.
Last na lang, kasi napaka-interesting yung book ninyo. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Is this the first one?
Yeah, it's our first.
Kung ano kayo tatlo walang ano.
Yeah, well, we came up with all the material, but we did have Alex help us out to
Put it together.
help us put it together.
Pero kung mag-credit, ano sino?
It's actually us and the listeners.
Mm.
Because a lot of the inputs also over the years have been our listeners, but we actually have to reword it everything, put it into simpler terms para maintindihan ng iba. Kasi
May mga jargon din eh.
mga slang, kami din nag-ayos.
Minsan English ka eh, para mukhang educated.
Kasama talaga yung papakita ng katawan niya.
Nag-workout kami para sa book.
Oo, ang dami.
Kasi sabi nila, dahil release time book, workout kayo.
Mas mahaba yung photoshoot na namin kaysa sa book.
May ibang photos na for personal consumption lang.
Tsaka kay Tony, hindi lang yung photoshoot ang mahaba. Pasensya niya kayo talaga, yun agad. Pasensya niya mahaba rin. Pasensya niya yung shoot ko. Haba ng pasensya ni Tony.
Hello po, I'm Albert from Chicanesa, Trinidad.
Sabi ko na mukha kang taga-Chicanesa eh. Sige, tuloy mo yan.
What will qualify
May
me?
chika nito eh.
Wala na. Sa kami bubuyog. Nag-farming kasi ako may bubuyog doon.
Hindi, pero the one out of us three, yung Chicanini, si Tony. There's one time he came in, we're like, why are you wearing a turtleneck? It's so hot outside.
Sa Pilipinas, nag-turn to Europe.
Turtleneck, tapos all of a sudden, his head was scratched, he had a scratch here. What happened? Oh, I fell down.
May naman mag-sports eh. Diba?
Ano sport ang...
Flag football, medyo rough pala yun. And pag ginawakan lang ako, may pasana ako.
Sensitive.
So, ginawakan ako dito. Siyempre,